If you're looking to save precious time in the kitchen, but you don't want to eat pre-cooked or processed food, it's time to invest in an air fryer. These power countertop kitchen assistants make cooking up a storm in the kitchen easier than ever. Rather than make a mess frying food on the hob, use an air fryer to prepare fresh, home-cooked food without the extra calories cooking oil adds. In fact, air fryers are known for using up to 98% less oil than deep frying, and that means you can enjoy your favorite snacks, side dishes, fried food, and even desserts, guilt-free. But not all air fryers are made equal. That's why we've put together this ultimate guide to the best air fryer for 2024. All the links to all products mentioned in this video are available in the description down below, so you can check for updated pricing and availability for any of them that you might be interested in. Starting with the best overall air fryer category is Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart Clear Cook Air Fryer. This isn't just any ordinary air fryer, it's a breath of fresh air for your kitchen, especially for those of you who love cooking but dread the lingering smells. What sets this air fryer apart is its revolutionary odor erase feature. Are cooking smells significantly minimized? Absolutely. Whether you're in a compact apartment or an open-plan space, say goodbye to those pesky cooking odors. Its stainless steel basket is not just about looks. It ensures your food is cooked evenly without the hassle of flipping it over. And with its edge-to-edge clear cook window, you can sneak a peek at the progress of your meal without losing any heat. From busy professionals to bustling young families, this 6-quart wonder with 6-in-1 air frying options is perfect for any lifestyle. And with even crisp technology, your dishes will have that perfect crunch every time. However, keep in mind, you will need to replace the odor erase filters from time to time. So, if you're after a kitchen companion that keeps your home smelling fresh and your meals deliciously crispy, the Instant Vortex Plus is worth considering. Next, let's move on to the best dual basket category is Ninja Foodi Max Dual Zone Air Fryer AF400 UK. With its extra large capacity, you can whip up generous portions for everyone all at once. Featuring an XL dual zone oven and 2 separate baskets, this air fryer is all about versatility and capacity. It boasts 9.5 liters of cooking space, with 6 cooking options, including the mighty Max Fry. Imagine this, 2 different dishes, 2 different cooking styles, all synchronized to finish at the same time. That's the efficiency of Ninja Foodi Max for you. Whether you're roasting a feast in just 40 minutes or experimenting with different cuisines, this air fryer has got you covered. But it's worth noting that greatness comes with size. Its bulky design may not be ideal for small kitchens, and it has a higher wattage than other brands in the same category. Falls into the best compact air fryer is Cosori new 4.7-liter Pro LE. If quality is what you seek, this Cosori air fryer model is your go-to appliance. Cosori's dedication to excellence is evident in this stylish and efficient air fryer. It's not just about frying, it's about transforming your cooking experience. With a 4.7-liter capacity, this 5-quart air fryer is ideal for small families or individuals. It's compact yet spacious, perfect for everyday use. And the energy savings? Up to 55%, making it a wise choice for the eco-conscious. What sets it apart? The 9-in-1 cooking functions, one-touch capabilities, and a handy cookbook with online recipes to spark your culinary creativity. While it's a star performer for small meals, it may not be the best pick for larger gatherings. And a word of caution, it can heat up quite a bit, especially on the roasting function. Also, it's a bit lighter on the countertop compared to some other models. If you're dipping your toes into the world of air frying without breaking the bank, the Sur La Table Kitchen Essentials 5-quart air fryer is your go-to choice. Dubbed as the best budget air fryer of 2024, it is perfect for those who are getting started with air fryers. This air fryer resembles a traditional countertop oven, complete with a see-through glass window. It's not just about looks. This feature lets you keep an eye on your meals without opening the door and losing heat. With a 4.7-liter capacity and 4-in-1 multifunctional performance, this air fryer is ideal for small families or couples. Its drum basket design ensures even cooking, and the LED touchscreen display makes operation a breeze. But if you're cooking for a large group, consider a bigger model, and remember it's solely an air fryer. It doesn't have other cooking capabilities. The next category is the best multi-purpose air fryer. The powerful kitchen must-have is the Instant Pot Duo Crisp Pressure Cooker with air fryer. This device is all about versatility. With its 11-in-1 cooking capabilities, this Instant Pot can transform your kitchen routine. Imagine replacing almost every other cooking device with this one powerhouse. Boasting a 6.2-liter capacity, this Instant Pot combines the functions of a pressure cooker and an air fryer. Switching from pressure cooking to air frying is as simple as swapping the lids. And with one-touch cooking, preparing a variety of meals has never been easier. But this Instant Pot is quite the countertop presence, and you'll need to consider storage for its multiple lids and accessories. So, if you have the space and love the idea of multiple cooking methods in one device, the Instant Pot Duo Crisp is a dream come true. The Ninja AF100 UK 3.8 liters air fryer and dehydrator really do stand out as the best value air fryer on the market. It's a fantastic choice for families who want to whip up healthy meals quickly. Gone are the days of fatty snacks. With this Ninja air fryer, enjoy your favorite dishes with up to 78% less fat. It's all about healthier eating without sacrificing taste or convenience. Compact and easy to tuck away, it's a breeze to use, cooking up to 50% faster than conventional fan ovens. And when it comes to cleanup, you'll appreciate the removable dishwasher safe parts, but it does have limitations. The 3.8-liter capacity means you can't air fry large quantities at once. It's solely for air frying and dehydrating, so don't expect to steam or sauté. And remember, it can't cook 2 types of food simultaneously, nor does it have an auto-pause feature, so keep an eye on your cooking. Finally, we come to the best toaster oven air fryer, which is crowned to Cuisinart TOA 65 Digital Convection Toaster Oven Air Fryer. For those who love the convenience of a toaster oven, but crave the health benefits of an air fryer, this Cuisinart model uses a whopping 98% less oil and can handle up to 3 pounds of food, making it ideal for medium-sized meals and treats. What makes this air fryer so special? Its versatility. Not only does it perform all the functions of a full-sized toaster oven, but it also offers low-temperature settings for tasks like proofing dough or dehydrating fruits and vegetables. With a large digital display and intuitive programming, the Dual Cook feature is a real winner, allowing you to combine cooking methods like baking and roasting for efficient meal prep. While it's fantastic for small households, it might not be the best fit for large families due to its size. And a heads up for the breakfast crowd, it might take a bit longer to get your bagels and bread toasted to perfection. And there you have it, the best air fryers for 2024. So have you ever used an air fryer before, or are you using it right now? If so, leave us a comment about which air fryer you have and what's your opinion on it. Oh, and once you've chosen your air fryer, head to cookitrealgood.com for delicious air fryer recipe inspiration. Happy air frying, guys!